So we have Sharmon Restor came in from all the way from El Dorado, Arkansas. So what did you think of the business class?
Uh, I was thinking it was very interesting, and it was a lot to learn.
Did you learn a lot that day?
I think so.
Think that'll help you start the business?
I think so.
Excellent. What did you think of the exterior training day?
I was really amazed how to take a vehicle from one stage to a really, really high gloss stage.
Because that Telluride was pretty bad.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
It was pretty bad. And you did a great job polishing it and putting the ceramic coating on. So you felt that brought value to what you're going to be doing with your skill set?
Oh yes, sir.
Excellent. What about the interior today?
Yeah, I was amazed at how well we was able to clean it with even with the hot extractor.
Yeah. So you used the vapor steamer, the extractor,
Vapor steamer and extractor and
ceramic coated.
ceramic coated.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So would you refer others to come to our training?
Oh, most definitely, I would tell them.
Well, you're a great student. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.